with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Demers, New Jersey, just completing a Serenity slider with a back-to-back pull handle in low iron glass. And what's cool about this is absolutely everything. So we got back-to-back handle here, stopper up above. Now the only disadvantage to this is obviously the door itself does not go all the way back, so it kind of reduces the size of the opening to enter, but this is a pretty large opening, so the opening space in between is approximately 26 inches, which is more than enough for even a large person like myself. Everything's in polished chrome, suppliers CR alarms, and if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.